Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to The Bungalow in Heath and Reach. This incredible home was bought 33 years ago by the current owners, and it was extended to almost triple its size just 5 years ago to create an amazing space that overlooks the wraparound plot and the separate annex that it has also. Let's go and take a look. So the existing 3 bedrooms are in the original part of the home, which also includes the large kitchen diner, the family room, and you have ensuite to master. So this area of the home is the Galleria. It joins the existing home to the new extension that was done only 5 years ago. You've got double doors here out to the annex, and you've also got 360 views of the garden and the plot. Going through to the property, you've got further 7 reception rooms, another kitchen, and you've also got the pub, which you're going to like. And at the very rear of the property, you've got this beautiful family room. If you could see yourself living in this amazing home, feel free to give us a call on 01908 571 555. We'd love to give you a personal tour. Thank you.